My name is Federico Scurti. I'm an inventor in the Lemason MIT Student Prize competition. So superconductivity is the ability of a material to carry electrical current without resistance. So that means no power losses and there's no energy required to keep the current flowing. Obviously, this is a great property, but there's a problem. Every superconducting material is able to destroy itself just by transitioning from the superconducting to the normal state. So there is no way to predict when the material is going to fail. The most difficult part actually comes when one tries to protect from damage or from failure the high temperature superconducting materials. So you can make, for example, a motor, it can be more compact, more lightweight, plus it can be operated at higher temperature, which means less complex and less energy intensive. So this is why I've been trying to develop a different system to basically detect failures or incipient failures in a high temperature superconducting system. My primary invention, which is what I call the smart conductor, is a superconducting wire that, in addition to being able to carry current without resistance like any other superconducting material, it is also able to monitor itself. My invention basically consists of adding an optical fiber inside the architecture and using the optical fiber as a sensor of strain and temperature. And this sensing ability is distributed along the wire with a very high spatial resolution. This is crucial because superconducting systems, although they might be compact when you look at them, but in terms of the length of the wire, well, that length is usually in the order of the kilometer. So my inventions are an enabling technology for high-speed trains or high-power density and high-efficiency motors, or superconducting generators, fusion reactors, and particle accelerators. So as far as commercialization goes, we have been partnering very closely with different startups and national labs, and we have interest from many companies. There is a really large unrealized potential of superconducting materials, especially high-temperature superconductors.